Start by going to the website https://adultedgo.blackboard.com. Your screen should look exactly like this. If it does not have the TCSG logo at the top, then you are at the wrong place. Your instructor has provided you with your 900 number and password. Your username is your 900 number. A page like this will open. Again, there should be a TCSG logo at the top of the page. On the black bar on the left of the screen, click the word Courses. The course that you are enrolled in will appear on this page. Click on that course. Your instructor will let you know the name of the course. The course will open and you will be looking at the announcement page. There are 3 different classes inside this course. The Tuesday-Thursday 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. online class. The Tuesday-Thursday 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. online class. And the Monday-Wednesday 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. face-to-face class. On the left in the black bar, you will find a link to each class's class folder page. Make sure you are clicking on the link for your class. Your class folder page will open. Check the banner at the top. Make sure you are on the correct page and inside the correct class. The class folder page for the Tuesday-Thursday morning class will look like this. The class folder page for the Tuesday-Thursday afternoon evening class will look like this. The class folder page for the Monday-Wednesday morning face-to-face class will look like this. Scroll down to the bottom of the page of the folder page for your class. There are folders for each day of class. The most recent folder is at the bottom. Click on a folder and all of the links, documents, and assignments will appear. All of the videos, links, worksheets, additional documents, and assignments are inside the folder for a particular class date. Scroll down to the bottom of the page for that class date and the assignments section is in red. All of the assignments are listed in that section. This video has been a production of DNJ Designs and Mathman1962.